We're looking now at a lot of 1939 and 1940 World's Fair paper ephemera items that were issued at the fair to attendees or to people to entice them to go, or if they were thinking of going. And this is interesting, this little envelope with these Velveeta, there's a Velveeta and Philadelphia green cheese, and this one here. So these are inside of this. We've got this, Baltimore, Visit Baltimore promotional for people in New York at the World's Fair. Nice strong deco aesthetic to this. We've got an envelope here posted in 1940 to the British Pavilion. And we've got this Missouri highway map for 1939 that unfolds and was probably no doubt issued. Yes, here it is, New York, San Francisco. There's the World's Fair logo down there. Wow, that's quite the item. Nice big map like so. Okay, and we've got this little folder here. It's a souvenir of the Canadian Pacific Locomotive with this little folding map here like so, showing the route across Canada. That's a nice little item. We've got this little handbill for this railroad line. We've got this radio brochure. Wow, it's very deco looking. Yeah, look at that. It's, early aviation. Look at that bus. It's great. Okay, then we've got this, optics and wheels. This very nice deco item right here. Yeah, great strong cover. Then we've got these fascinating little items. This is a fiberglass fabric bookmark or something that was distributed in the original cellophane wrapper. And then we've got this item here, which is very fragile. There's two of them, actually. This 2 paper towels for 1 cent. Look at that, in the original glassine. And so there's 2 of those that are here in this lot. Then we've got this little item, which I'm not sure, this looks like a, I don't know what this is. Oh, Better Photography for July of 1939. Okay, so that's same year, and this is a folding, well, there we go. There's that. Then we've got this. Wow, look at this. This is some of the highlights of the free daily programs. This little handbill put out in 1939, places to eat and so on. We've got this. I don't know, it's like an advertisement maybe. This is the City of Light booklet. Nice, very nice, strong Art Deco graphics throughout this. Right, 1940. And the final item is this New York Herald Tribune, looks like a Sunday supplement or something to the newspaper, which is a magazine, large, oversized magazine with great period ads, this panoramic view of the fair. It's all devoted to events at the fair. It's filled with ads and scenes and maps. Interesting, very interesting. Look at this, yeah. Back when people bought books through the mail as a part of a book club. Look at that, look at that Howard Johnson's ad. That's fantastic. It's very beechnut gum. Huh. That's very interesting. Look at that RCA ad. And so, this lot of World's Fair items and ephemera is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.